Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can add music to your Procreate animation. In order to do so, first off, we'll start here at the App Store. In order to create animations with Procreate, you are going to need to download Procreate Dreams, and there is a cost with that. So keep that in mind. If you're trying to animate with Procreate, you are going to need the Procreate Dreams app. And according to Cider AI, Procreate doesn't directly support adding music to animations. You'll need to use external software for this. Export your Procreate animation as a video file, then use video editing software like iMovie or other more advanced programs on your computer. Import your animation into the editing software, add your chosen music track, and adjust the timing and audio levels. Finally, export the combined video with the music. This workflow ensures that your animation has the desired soundtrack. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in Cider AI, check out our link tree in the description. If you click on that, then you'll find our top AI recommendations with some nice promotions that you could take advantage of. Click on the link for Cider and you'd be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.